Do the torpedo with the long arm pulls. He's really
So amazing, Sam.
Hey, show her the torpedo with the long arm pulls from the dollar. Hey, show her the one with the arm pulls, the long strokes. Yeah, the long arm, the torpedo, then the arm pulls. Ready? Arm pulls! Whoa, arm pulls! Whoa!
Good job.
This will be our last one for the money. What are we going to do, a torpedo or arm pulls?
Mommy, that one's for the Kirby game.
Okay.
This is for your fun.
Okay.
Long arm pulls!
Long arm pulls.
This streamlining is really good.
You are such a swimmer, buddy.
Here's your money!
Mommy, this one's for Kirby.
For
You
Kirby?
got a pile for Kirby and a pile for him. Let me get. Hey, where's the bottom?